Before you build any agent, you must answer one question. Which LLM should I use? The model you pick determines your agent's intelligence, speed, cost, and capabilities. In this module, we will compare open source versus proprietary models, understand model size and context windows, and master function calling. By the end, you will be able to choose the right LLM for any agentic task, from a simple chatbot to a multi-tool reasoning engine. In an agentic system, the LLM is the brain. It reasons, plans, decides which tools to call, and generates final answers. The rest are like hands and senses. If the brain is slow, expensive, or lacks important features, the whole agent suffers. So, choosing the right LLM is not an afterthought. It's the most critical design decision. We will evaluate LLMs across 4 dimensions. 1. Open source versus proprietary. Control versus convenience. 2. Size. Parameter count affects intelligence, speed, and cost. 3. Context window. How much text the model can process at once. 4th, function calling, ability to invoke external tools. Each of these interacts with your agent's requirements. For example, a customer support agent may need a large context window to hold conversation history, but can use a smaller model if calls are simple. Let's see a concrete example. Company A built an agent using GPT-4 proprietary large 128K context. It worked well, but cost 0.03 per query and took 2 seconds. For their high volume use, means 1 million queries per day, that is 30K per day. Too expensive. They switched to a fine-tuned Llama 3 8GB open source smaller model running on their own GPU. Cost dropped to 0.001 per query, latency to 0.5 seconds. The lesson here is bigger is not always better. You must match the model to the task. Mistake 1. Always using the largest model like GPT-4, Cloud A for everything. Mistake 2. Ignoring function calling support. Older models can't use tools reliably. Mistake 3. Not testing with your actual prompts. Always benchmark a few candidates on a representative dataset before committing. Choosing the right LLM is about balancing intelligence, cost, speed, and features. In the next few minutes, we will dive deep into the first big decision: open source versus proprietary models, the ultimate control versus convenience trade-off.